Good afternoon, student. In last lecture, we start our first lesson, our Earth and our solar system. In that, we took the information about space, heavenly bodies, stars, planets, our Earth, and revolution of the Earth. Correct? Then anybody tell me what is mean by stars? Yes, the heavenly body that twinkle are called stars. And what is meant by planet? The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Very good. Then now tell me, our Earth is planet or star? Very good. Our Earth is planets, means Earth not having its own light. Okay. Then today we are going to take more information about 7 planets. Okay, which one the 7 planets are there? See, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Which one the 7 planets are there? Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These 7 planets are there. Now see, in solar system where that 7 planets place is there, actually place. See, this one are solar system. This one are solar system. Okay. Now see, in a center sun is there. In a center sun is there. Then Mercury, Venus, then here Earth, Moon, Mars. Now see, this one moon is there. This is the satellite. Moon is a satellite and Earth is planet. Moon revolve around the Earth. This one moon revolve around the Earth. Okay. Now see here, Jupiter, then Saturn and here Uranus, Neptune and here dwarf planet is there. This is the dwarf planet. Okay, means in solar system in a center sun is there and other planets or satellite, they revolve around the sun. They revolve around the sun. Means all planets and satellite get light from the sun. They get light from the sun. And if you are seeing this one, this band like structure is there, it is said to be the asteroid. It is said to be the asteroid. Okay, means this one the 7 planets situated like this one, the first one Mercury, then Venus, here Earth is there, then Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and here dwarf planet is there. All of you understood? Now see student, what is mean by satellite? See, some heavenly bodies revolve around the planet. Now I show to you. See, this is the moon. Moon is one of the satellite and Earth is a planet. Moon revolve around the Earth. Moon revolve around the Earth. Earth is a planet. Means this one the moon revolve around that one the planet. It is said to be the satellite. It is said to be the satellite. Means some heavenly bodies revolve around the planet. These are called satellite. Satellite get their light from the sun. Satellite get their light from the sun. Example, moon. Now see the next point. Dwarf planet. The next point, dwarf planet. See here, there are smaller heavenly bodies. There are smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. That revolve around the sun. They are called dwarf planets. They are called dwarf planets. Example, Pluto. Then see the asteroid. Now see in between Mars and Jupiter. Here already I show to you. See here, this one the Mars, correct? This is the Mars and here Jupiter. In between means this one the Mars. correct, and this is the Jupiter. Then in between Mars and Jupiter, which one band like structure is there? Which one the band like structure is there? It is said to be the asteroids. Means where the position of the asteroid? In between Mars and Jupiter. In between Mars and Jupiter. Okay, see, in between Mars and Jupiter there is a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. Numerous small heavenly bodies, they are called asteroids. They are called asteroids. Asteroids also revolve around the sun. Asteroids also revolve around the sun. All of you understood? See here, means these are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, dwarf planets as well as asteroid. They all are revolve around the sun. They all are revolve around the sun. Only which one the satellite are there? Which one the satellites are there? They revolve around the planet. Satellite revolve around the planet. All of you understood? Then see the gravity. The next point, this is the gravity. All of you know, student, means when anything we throw upside, this one come downside. This one come downside. Why this one happen? Because Earth having gravitational force. Earth having gravitational force. Okay. Now see here. All heavenly bodies exert a force of attraction or pull on one another. This force is called the force of gravity. This force is called force of gravity. Means here gravitational force is there. Means heavenly bodies, this one exert a force of attraction or pull one another. They pull to each other, and that force is called force of gravity. Now see, student, means here see, this one moon is there. Moon revolve around the earth. Moon also not having its own light. Then also we can see moon at a night time in the sky. We can see moon in the night time in the sky. Correct now? How this one possible? Likewise question means arise in your mind. Correct now? How we can see the moon in the sky at a night time? Then listen, why this one happen? See, which one the means our earth. We all are living on earth. We are getting light from the sun. We are getting light from the sun. Means which one the sun rays are there? They fall on earth. They fall on the earth. And again they reflected towards the sun. Again they reflected towards the sun. That time some sun rays, this one fall on the moon. That time what happened? Which one the reflected rays of the sun is there? This one fall on the moon, and due to that one the sun rays, we can see moon in the sky at a night time. We can see moon in the sky at a night time. All of you understood how that one the moon get light from the sun? Okay, means which one the reflected rays are there? Means which one the ray? They fall on the earth and again they reflected towards the sun. Then from that one the rays, some rays, this one fall on the moon, and due to that we see moon in the sky at a night time. Okay, all of you understood? Thank you. Now which one homework I will give you? This one you have to do. See, in your textbook here, question number 3. Okay, in the picture below, correct the sequence of the planets from the sun. You have to draw this figure and name that one the planets, and solve this one, fourth one question. who am I? Okay. If any problem is there, if you are not understanding anything, then you will ask to me. Thank you.